Let's learn how to change the video background in CapCut. If you want to change the background in a video but don't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the CapCut app on your phone. Once you've opened CapCut, you'll be on the home page where you need to click the New Project button. When you click that, a page will open where you need to select the video with the background you want to use. Once you've selected that video, click the Add button in the bottom right corner. After clicking that, a page where videos are edited will open. On that page, you need to click on the Overlay option located in the menu below, next to Other options. When you click that, the Add Overlay option will appear, and you need to click on it. Once you've clicked on that, select the video whose background you want to remove, and after selecting it, click the Add button located in the bottom right corner. After adding that video, expand it to be full screen. Now make sure it is selected, and find the Remove Background option below. Once you've found that option, click on it and 3 options will appear. From those 3 options, you need to click on the Auto Removal option, and then on the Done option located in the top right corner of the menu. After clicking that, you can adjust the video as you like, and that's it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.